Come on, what does it look like? Let's get in here. Oh, nice batter. Oh, look in there. Perfectly cooked. That mince, that onions, the potato. Oh, you're kidding me. Look in there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making the Belfast Pastie. We're in Belfast. Now this can be found in nearly every chip shop in Belfast and possibly around Northern Ireland, with various recipes being made in Northern Ireland, you know, but we're going to make the meat one with onion and potato, and other ones are made with potato and onion. So we're going to make the meat and potato onion version. I've not been there for 25 years. The last time I was there, I did the Giant's Causeway and all that carry on, and that really rickety bridge that goes to that island over the sea, bouncing around underneath. Scary stuff. Right, let's crack on and make this Belfast Pastie. Now, what we have to do, we have to grate a couple of potatoes, chop some onion, and use some minced pork, okay? That's the first stage of this. So we'll grate some potato. I've already diced some onions, and we've got some minced pork. Let's crack on and do it, come on. So we are going in our bowl with our mince. Now that is straightforward regular minced pork. We're going in there with our diced onion, going in there with our grated potato, half a teaspoon of allspice, going in there with some salt, some black pepper. Now that's our seasoning, and then we're just going to get our hands in and we're going to give it a mix in. Mix it all in. So that's our mix in there. We've given it a bit of a pounding, get it all incorporated. Now you could probably do with some corn flour or something like that, but we better not. We better not deviate too much from the recipe. I just feel that it's a little bit loose. Okay, what I'm going to do now, just to make it a little bit easier for me, I'm going to take some of this mix and we're going to make it into small hamburger sized balls. So we're going to make the balls first and just put them in this tray. So we just take a bit of mix. Now we're just guessing this. We're not going to actually weigh this out. Okay, roughly the same size. So they are quite loose actually, and I think it might be a little bit difficult to actually batter these. I think the way forward is probably to put them in the fridge, cool them down so they solidify a little bit, and then we can dip them in the batter. We'll see. There we go, we got a few little patties there, look. Okay, we're not making up a complicated batter for this. This is self-raising flour, and we're going to go in there with a bit of water and we're going to turn that into a thick batter. Now I'm not going to give you the exact measurements of water. We want a thick batter. Just keep adding it until you've got a thick batter. A little bit more water. That's just a tad too thick. That's about thick enough. Take one of our patties and we're just going to squash it a little bit into about a burger shape. Now We don't want them too thick and we don't want them too thin. We need them about 1 centimetre thick, somewhere around about there. And then we are going to dip them in our batter. Nice and steady. And then we're going to fry them. So shake off the excess. So we need to be frying these for about 5 to 7 minutes. 180 degrees. Turn them over if you can. Now this is a bog standard batter. It's not a chip shop batter, but it will do the job. So just give them a little turning over. We want them to cook on the inside. They actually smell like sausages cooking, to be fair. So what we're aiming at, we're aiming for a nice golden batter, and the content should be cooked, you know, a straightforward 5 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees. And what's happening inside these things, the starch from the potato is actually binding with the meat and the onions, and it's helping stick that patty together. And as you've noticed, we never put the patty in the fridge. We've just done it straight from the side. Okay, and when you've had your 5 to 7 minutes and you think they're done, out of there, and they need to rest on some kitchen towel. Now in a chip shop they would rest on the rack, and then we carry on. Let's just have those out of there. That'll burn eventually. So we got to do it like the chip shop. We got to serve it up with some fresh chips. Oh, you can't beat real chips, come on. We don't want that fry nonsense. And we're going to get some mushy peas. So all we need is a bit of traditional salt and vinegar on there. Oh, just like the chip shop. Bit of salt. Now you can go for whatever you want. I'm going to go for the old ketchup. Come on, what does it look like? Let's get in here. Oh, nice batter. Oh, look in there. Perfectly cooked. That mince, that onions, the potato. Oh, you're kidding me. Look in there. Oh, give that a go. Get some mushy peas. Oh, peas on here. Oh, that is absolutely superb. That is proper quality. I mean, come on, you can't beat homemade chips either. That is food to die for. That pork is perfectly cooked inside there with that potato and those onions. Nice batter over the outside. That is Belfast patties made. Patties like no other. They're very unique to Belfast. You can't get them anywhere else. That is fantastic. Oh, man. That is so good. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.